guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a products empties video. I haven't filmed one of these in a really long time, and I feel like it's just time to get rid of my trash. I've been saving, kind of hoarding trash for a while now to share with you guys what I've used up, what I would recommend, what I've repurchased, what I haven't repurchased. I actually really enjoy watching products empties video. I feel like not too many people film them anymore, which I don't know why, because they're one of the most helpful videos besides like favorite videos. You really see what people have used up, like completely used up, what they've repurchased, what they kind of just forgot about. I find these really helpful. So without further ado, let's go through my trash. I cannot wait to get rid of all of this because it's kind of gross thinking back how far this basket has started. It's been a while. So first up is the Bioderma Misceller cleansing water. I love this. I have another bottle of it right now under my sink. I have stopped using makeup wipes for about a little bit over a year now. I've been using the Misceller water with these washable, reusable cotton pads that I got on Amazon. I think I've mentioned them before in a video or a favorites video, but I just apply this to the little rounds, wipe it all over my face. It literally takes off foundation, concealer, waterproof mascara, eyeliner, liquid liner, like any stubborn makeup that you put on, liquid lipsticks. It takes off everything, and it's really gentle. It has never broken me out. They come in a twin pack on Amazon, and it's really not that expensive. I feel like I've saved a lot of money buying these bottles as opposed to the disposable makeup wipes, which were not only expensive, but they would burn my eyes. I'd have to use 2 wipes if I'm wearing like a full face of makeup, and they're just really not environmentally friendly. So I'm glad that I found this. Speaking of, I do see another bottle in this little bin I have. So again, I love this product and would highly recommend it. Another product that I have been loving for skincare is the Pixi Vitamin C Tonic Brightening Toner. I've gone through 2 large bottles. I just went through another big bottle right now. I think it's still in my bathroom. I love this toner. Not only is it like effective and it works to brighten your skin, lighten up hyperpigmentation, but it's also pregnancy friendly. So if you don't know, I am currently pregnant, and I've really been cutting down on harmful skincare products. Like even 2 years ago when we were thinking about trying for a baby, I've been like switching over to good natural skincare products and skincare brands. And when you're pregnant, you really can't use a lot of like the effective skincare ingredients, unfortunately. Like I can't use salicylic acid, I can't use any retinoids, no AHAs. Actually, are AHAs the one I can use, or BHAs? Glycolic acid is safe for pregnancy, as well as vitamin C. I can't use vitamin A because it is a retinoid, but this is pregnancy safe and it works. You guys know I love the Henriksen balancing toner that comes in the green bottle, but I think it has salicylic acid in it, which is not safe for pregnancy. So I had to stop using that. I can't wait to go back and use that product once I give birth and I'm done breastfeeding. But until then, this is a really great alternative. Doesn't strip my oils, doesn't make my skin feel dry, but it does have a really nice brightening effect. Oh, speaking of the Henriksen one, this is the one I'm talking about. This is their Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I used this up like, I think 8 or 9 months ago, way before I got pregnant. So I can't wait to go back and use this because this is a really good, not only balancing toner, but it really helps prevent breakouts. Or if you have a breakout, it's really good for those redness, problematic area. Like if I have a zit or like one of those cystic pimples that just can't be popped, you kind of just have to let it linger until it goes away on its own. This really helps fades those spots and just get rid of those bumpy, like itchy pimples a lot sooner than if you were to use something else. I love this toner. So this is another vitamin C tonic, like a baby size bottle. I'm telling you, I love this. This is another toner. This is their like original tonic. This is their Glow Tonic with 5% glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is safe for pregnancy. I actually have a huge bottle that they sent over that I need to start using while I wait for the vitamin C one to come in. Yeah, they sent like 2 huge bottles for me. I can't find them right now. But I do like this one, but I just prefer the vitamin C one more because it does have a brightening effect. But this is really good to just like take off the rest of your makeup after you've washed your face, and just to remove any like extra oil, debris, gunkiness off your skin before you apply your nighttime or daytime skincare products. So I love that as well. It just happens that like all the skincare products are on top. This is another skincare product that I love, but I can't use right now. This is the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask. And this has, what does it have that I can't use? Salicylic acid and colloidal sulfur, which isn't very safe for pregnancy, so I have to stop using this as well. This is the best like purifying mask, as well as like pimple spot treatment mask. Before, when I was using this and I had like a problem area, whether it was like dryness, redness, if there was a pimple coming through, I would literally slap this on my face and those problematic areas go away a lot sooner. So I actually really miss this product as well. Another product that I've used up before I got pregnant is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Babyfacial mask. And this has 25% AHA and BHA, so I can't use this. I don't know, I didn't see a huge difference like all the other reviews were raving about. They sent me a whole PR package like when I first started planning my wedding, and this was a part of it. And I've used it up. I used it because it's really expensive and they sent it to me, and I just wanted to see how it would work over time. But honestly, I didn't really see a difference. It's super expensive, so I don't think I would be repurchasing it even after I'm done being pregnant. I love this mask way more. It's way more affordable, and this just didn't really do everything that everyone else was just going crazy about. I don't know if that's just me and my skin, but I just didn't really care for this, unfortunately. Actually, fortunately, because I don't have to spend the heaps of money that it cost. This is another product I will not be repurchasing. I still have a little bit left in here, but it's just not worth it to me. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is way too oily. It's supposed to give you a dewy, like glowy look, but it's literally just straight up spraying oil on your face. It ruins foundations. I don't like it as a skincare product, so as expensive as it is, it's just not worth it to me. So that's a no-go. Another skincare product from Tatcha, this one I do love. This is their Violet C Brightening Serum. I loved this. It did brighten my skin and got rid of the hyperpigmentation like quicker. I noticed fading a lot faster after I started using this. It's really expensive. I think this was $80 or even $90. So I don't think I'll be repurchasing it anytime soon. Right now I'm using the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Serum, I think that's what it's called, and I love it, so I don't feel the need to repurchase this at all. But it was really nice while I was using it. It's just so expensive and I couldn't justify spending that price on it. This is another mask that I really liked. I think I'm gonna have to repurchase this sometime soon. This is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. It literally comes out like a lilac color. Like, I really noticed a brightening effect after I wash my face. After I've used this, it's just, my skin like glows. It's so pretty. I think this came in a FabFitFun box, so I don't know how much it costs, but I am going to be looking it up and repurchasing it because I do really like this mask. I see the bottom of the bin, guys, so we are getting there. This is another skincare product. You guys know I love skincare products, so I go through them pretty quickly. This is the Coola Full Spectrum 360 Degree Sun Silk Drops. This protects you from UVA, UVB, IR, and HEV. It has an SPF of 30 in it. I've used 2 or 3 bottles of this up already. I don't know where my other bottles are. Maybe I just tossed them. But I do really like this as an SPF. I don't like to apply it on its own. I like to work it into my daily moisturizer in the morning and then apply it all over my face. I feel like on its own, it's really greasy and really oily, and it breaks up my foundation. It protects your skin from all those things I just mentioned. So I do like it. I think I have a backup bottle somewhere in here, but I haven't pulled it out yet. And if you don't know, Coola is a very clean, organic brand. This is 70% plus organic, so I really like that. This is another Drunk Elephant product. I've used it up, like squeezed out every little bit, because I believe this was $90 as well. This is the Drunk Elephant Retinol Cream. This has 1% retinol. I loved this. It really did like make my skin feel smoother. I don't know if it did anything for brightening, but it did make my fine lines go away. Not go away, but blur them out a bit, and it did make my skin feel really, really smooth the next morning. But again, because it has retinol, I can't use it during pregnancy, but right after I'm done breastfeeding, this is gonna be added back to my skincare routine because I love it so much. Okay, so a few makeup products. I have a few cans of the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. They're the same thing, just different packaging. I know I've gone through like at least 6 or 7 bottles in the past year, so I think I've just been tossing them instead of saving them in here. Foundation, this is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I've gone to 2 or 3 bottles. I have 2 right here. I'm in the shade Linen, and I already have a backup because this is honestly one of the best drugstore foundation. This color matches me so well. It's really lightweight. It blends really nicely and it lasts like all day long. Another product from e.l.f. This is their 16-hour Camo Concealer. I'm in the shade Medium Beige. I do have this as a backup and I'm using it, but I also really love the hydrating formula from the same concealer. So yeah, I love this. This one is a little bit more matte. I wouldn't say it's drying, but the hydrating one is obviously a little bit more creamy, so your eyes don't look as dry as this. So I've been using the creamy one or the hydrating one a little bit more, but I do really like this concealer. It's like medium to full coverage. I think it's $3 or $4, maybe $5 at the drugstore. This is a translucent powder from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I've obviously used this up. I have another one in my collection right now because it's a really, really good translucent powder. If I don't want to go through the hassle of using the Mercier translucent powder, like the loose powder, I always reach for this because it's less messy, it's quicker, it really does mattify and just kind of locks my foundation in and sets my concealer really well. Speaking of the Mercier translucent powder, this is a jar that I've used up. I do have another one in my collection right now that I'm using. I do love this powder. It really just depends on the day whether I'm lazy or not to really kind of fuss over loose powder, but when I do use it, I see a huge difference in just how smooth my skin looks, how good my foundation looks, and how long my makeup lasts. So I do love, love, love this translucent powder, and it's always, always a part of my makeup collection. So a few more makeup products. These are both from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Brow Powder Duo in Dark Brown. I've had this for so long, I think it was like 3 or 4 years, and it just started to look a little bit suspicious. So I decided to toss it. I haven't repurchased it because I've been using brow pencils instead of powders. I feel like they just go on a lot easier, quicker, and looks a little bit more natural. So these are the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I have it in the shade Medium Brown. It's what's on my eyebrows right now. I don't love the brand. I've actually just stopped buying stuff like palettes, anything from the brands, but their brow pencils are honestly so good. I cannot not buy them. So it's kind of like a tough situation I'm in. I'm looking for something that's comparable that I love from a better brand that's a little bit nicer to the consumers and influencers. But these brow pencils are so good. And I think that was all the makeup products. The rest are just kind of like random products, I guess. I have 3 hair care products, I guess. This first one is the Nexxus Kerafix Damage Healing Shampoo Conditioner Set. I think they sent this to me. It was okay, but it made my scalp kind of dry and flaky, so I stopped using it. But it smells nice. It made my hair feel really smooth, like the mid part and the ends of my hair felt really great, but it was just my scalp that I just could not handle. This is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This is so expensive. I think I asked for this for Christmas, last Christmas, because it's like stupidly expensive, and I've stopped using it and I've started using another shampoo instead. Again, this made my hair feel really good, very shiny. It just did something to my scalp. I don't know if that's just my personal scalp that does that is just a lot drier than most people, because I know a lot of people rave about this shampoo and conditioner from Alterna, but I'm kind of happy it didn't work out for me because it's like stupidly expensive. The shampoo that I have been using, and you can find on Amazon, this is the Maple Holistics Tea Tree Special Formula Shampoo. This is sulfate free, contains over 98 all natural compounds to promote health, scalp health. I love this. It smells like eucalyptus. It's amazing in the shower. It feels like a spa in the shower when you're using it. And they do have a conditioner, which I don't really care for, but the shampoo is amazing. Like, this is the shampoo that fixed my scalp. I don't have like itchy, like, it sounds gross, but like I had itchy, like bleeding scalp like before, because I would just itch it so often that it would get irritated and I would get like dandruff, but this fixed it all. Like, my scalp feels really healthy at this point. I've been using this for about, how long have I been using this? Maybe 6 months to almost a year, and I've honestly just kept repurchasing it on Amazon. They do have a bigger bottle. This was like one of the first ones that I've tried. I have it in my shower right now as like the bigger, chunkier bottle, and I love it. I have repurchased it many times, and it's the only shampoo I think I'll be using for quite a while, not only because it's sulfate free and natural, but it's effective and it works. Okay, the last few things are pregnancy related. This is the Burt's Bees Mama Bee Belly Butter with shea butter and vitamin E. I've gone through 2 tubs. I am 21 weeks pregnant right now, and I've gone through 2 tubs already. I literally have like 3 more backed up because I don't think I'll be able to prevent stretch marks. I think it's just in my genes that I'm going to get them. But if I can keep my belly hydrated and prevent more stretch marks from forming, that's what I'm gonna do. So I've been lathering this on my stomach, my butt, my hips, my thighs after every shower, and I love it. It really does help just keep the itchiness at bay, because as your belly expands, your skin starts to get itchy, starts cracking. So this has been really helpful. This is the Nourishing Body Oil with vitamin E. I've gone through 2 bottles of this as well. I don't know what I did with the other bottle, and I'm continually using it. So I do like a scoop of this, and then like maybe 3 or 4 drops of this, kind of mix it between my palm, and then lather the crap out of my belly, my boobs, my butt, like just everywhere. And I like that it's safe for the baby. Like, once it sinks into my bloodstream, it's not doing damage to the baby. So it's all safe and healthy. So I think that was all my trash that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the products that I mentioned, let me know down in the comment section below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.